Now this is Azul and that is Blue. And today we're about to over who's the best in a basketball game. Now guys, before we start the game, I'll be dividing you guys into two groups. Now for the boys, let me cheer for Blue. Let me say, go Blue, go Blue.
Blue, go blue.
Now for the girls, let me cheer for Azul. Let me say, go Azul, go Azul. Now are you guys ready for the basketball game? Oy, what energy ako ba? Are you guys ready? Alright, now trainers ready. Birds ready. Set. Go. Come on, birds. Now here come both birds with first ball. Come on, birds. Now second ball for Azul. Followed by Blue. Who's gonna win? And Blue win this round. That's alright, Azul. So trainer, Jael, you lost this round. What can you say?
Hold it right there. We want another game.
Oh, you want another game, trainer?
Are you sure about that? You want Azul to lose again?
Oh my my. I assure you that Azul and I will win.
But confident.
So what race you have in mind?
Yeah, what race?
Let's do a re-race.
Ring race. So can you explain to us what is a ring race?
So the first bird who can drop 3 rings into the pole, the fastest is the winner. That is a re-race.
Okay, a ring race shall be. Now girls, remember that boys got 1 point already. So chill louder for Azul to start, okay? Let's do it with the ring race. Alright. Now trainers ready. Birds ready. Set. Go. Come on, birds. Now here comes the first ring. Come on, Azul. Oh, what is this? Ring race at the same time. So, lipay kasi trainer yun, nakadaog yun sila. So, trainer, kita na ito, 3 rings at the same time. What can you say?
Hey, what's that, Trainer James? You guys really cheated.
Oh, did you guys cheat?
No, we didn't cheat. Azul just used her brain.
Oh, wow. So, a round of applause for Blue and Azul. If the one is straight or not. Blue grabs the penny. And what's next, Blue? What's next, Blue? Blue flies back the table. Guess what? Blue wants to donate your money. No, sir. Okay na sa mga 100, sir. Are you sure? It's okay naman na, sir. About the second round, sir. This time, sir, pinatahan na ito gamay. 500 pesos bill na po. It's for the birds. Papalit na itong loud, sir. So, okay na, sir. Second round. Okay na, second round. 500. Okay. No way, no, guys. So, kasi kailangan mo volunteer. 500 peso bill. Now, sir, it's just part of the show. We'll return the money, but first, Blue wants a picture with you for souvenir. So you can use your phone or an official photographer. So this is red and that is golden. Well, let's start. Now on your right, we trainer Jael is our green ball method. Now as you can see, Ben's body is covered with red bluish. Now he's creating the wing are color blue and green. Now that bird has a white-winged face like with small red feathers. Now Ben's scientific name is Aura pluralus. Now say hi to everyone, Brandon. Say hi. Hi, there you go. Now how about this side? Say hi. Si Bandit, no. Now, up next with trainer Mix is our blue and gold ball Goldie. Now, as you can see, blue and gold ball has a beautiful shade of blue on its back and a solid yellow on its belly and either wings. Now, Goldie's scientific name is Ara Aranauna. So, here is emotion paragraph 3, gold ball. So earlier, kato na-play of basketball, onto si Blue and si Azul. So on Goldie, ay ko niya later. Now lastly with me is our Eclectus Parrot Red. Now Eclectus Parrot are very unusual in the Parrots family. That is because of their extreme sexual dimorphism. Meaning, you can easily now the difference between a female and a male eclectus parrot. So, how will we determine the gender? So, red right here is a female eclectus parrot. That is because of her bright red colored feathers. Now, this is the male. We have a bright green colored feathers. So, yung anak simple pag-gender sa eclectus parrot. So, in the wild, if makita mo red, meaning female. If green, male. Now, red right here can live up to 30 years old. In our macaws, banded and goldie can live up to. So, who can guess the lifespan of our macaws? Anyone? Is anyone guess the lifespan sa macaws? 10. Gamay naging 10 higher. 20. Kaya mo? 15. Gamay higher. How about this side? 30 higher. Hapit na. 40 higher na yun.
80.
Correct, sir. 60 to 70 years old. So, yung anak at doon yung mga macaws, no? Now, did you know that parrots are monogamous? Meaning, they can only have one partner for their entire lifetime. Sana all kaayo no, may mga birds. So, that's important thing. So, parrot, we have banded, red, and goldie. Even though this is a learned behavior Bandit is doing, this is not possible without Bandit's intelligence, memory, and perception. So in the wild, they use to steal to find food, shelter, and a good place to nest. Medyo nalibog si Bandit to. So I can let it. There we go. The last shape Bandit. And there we go. The intelligent, right? So on the plus for green momo and 3 silver cups. Now as you can see, they're all empty, right? Now where did we hide the ball? On your left, on your right, or in the middle? Which side? Left, right, middle. You choose. Louder. Right. Okay, let's do it right here. Now let's holding our second bird, Goldie. Now guys, if you think Goldie can find a hidden object, can we say, you can do it, Goldie. Okay, Goldie, let's find the hidden object. Now Goldie is searching, using psychic power. Oh, she's sensing something. And there you go, she found it. Now I have a pause for a second bird, Goldie. So this is Sweetie, that is Nigel, and that's our little talking stone.
Yan, tempat siya ha.
Now let's start. Now here with me is our super crested contour Wiki. Now this bird preferred their habitat along the edges of subtropical and tropical rainforests. These birds are partly white with black beaks and a distinctive yellow crest. So when ang yellow sa ilang head, muna ang crest. Now actually the L is our umbrella contour Naja. So they are also called the great white contour. Now they're called umbrella contour, that is because of their rolling white crest that graces like an umbrella. So again, if ka nag-crest ni Nigel, kung saan siya, mura na siya ng umbrella o purple. Up to 70 years old. Now, as you can hear, cockatoos are very loud and they can mimic almost any sound. Now guys, if you're going to ask me, can these birds talk? Yes. Only mga bird ang makastorya. So whatever sound bird nila anytime mimik na nila. It's called mimicry behavior. Opening numbers have been shuffled. Let's slowly our math wizard. Snow. Let's go, Snow. Ooh, what a beautiful entrance. Now, trainer, our equation is 10 plus 5. Okay, 10 plus 5. So, atake sa natin sa time per mag-study. So, ano mo study, trainer? Sure na. Okay, as always, Snow. Let's see if Snow really loves number. And Snow picks up number 1. So, guys, this is the first number, correct? Wait, di sure ang upan. Is the first number correct? Well, good start, Snow. Up to the second number. And there it goes. It picks up number 5. So, a round of applause for our math wizard, Snow. So, bright tayo guys, Snow. So, ang technical na is every night, mag-budyo na sa trainer. Now, wrapping natin yung fall throughout Southeast Asia and Australia. So in Australia, they are known as sea eagles. Now in the Philippines, they are known as tanog or lawis. Now guys, familiar nyo ang bird, muna siya ang nasa logo ni Kuya Kim na matang lawin. That's it for Bumblebee Kingdom. Now in the worlds of birds of prey, females are usually much larger than the males. Now let's hold in our Philippine serpent eagle, Freddy. Now Philippine serpent eagle and the Philippine eagle are two different birds. So ang Philippine eagle, 3 times larger than Freddy. Now, Philippine serpent eagle scientific name is Pilornis pulspilus. Now, they're called serpent eagle because in the wild they usually have snakes and reptiles. And this bird is endemic in the Philippines, and you can find them in any major islands. Now guys, as you can see, both of our trainers are wearing gloves that will protect them from the sharp talons and beaks. Now ready the cameras as Freddy will fly over. And there you go, that's it for our public eye and Philippine serpent eagle ready. The homing pigeons. Pigeon has an innate ability, meaning they'll always go back to its nest to wait. They also have this special sense called the magnetoreception. So this is asap. Now suddenly a lot of animals today are shrinking. That is because of pollution and improper waste disposal. So always remember, reduce waste, reuse plastics, and recycle everything you can. Last stretch blue. Now see if the birds can do it, so can we. Now guys,